Hey guys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, in today's video, we're going to be doing the last minute checks for your camper trailer before that big trip. Now, I've done the other checks. We've checked underneath to make sure all the nuts and bolts are all still there and all the wires are ready to go. We've got our grab bag of spares in the camper, ready to go. Now, I usually do this big last minute check type thing about a week or two before I go on my big trips. So, you ready? We're going to get into it. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. One of the first things I check is my solar panels. I give them a bit of a tub, a bit of a clean up, make sure they're okay, check, make sure nothing's broken in them, and then I plug them in to see if they still work on my camper. If you have a solar panel on top of your caravan, hey, it doesn't hurt. Give it a bit of a clean once in a while. All right, we'll go check some other things in a minute. Here we go. All right, guys, time to check the fridge. I've had it on for a few hours now, so I know it's sort of running all right, so we're just going to check it, make sure it is. Now, it's running completely off the batteries on the camper. So we know that's okay. We'll check our Anderson plugs, our fuses. Yes, I know it's a King's fridge, but it just works fine. So we'll just check it. Yep, it's working all right. It's down to about 0. It's pretty cool. All right. Got a couple of drinks in here. You know, just a bit of Pepsi Max. Watching the weight these days. All right, now we'll check the battery levels in the camper and we'll go from there. Boom. Beautiful. All right, so we've had the fridge on, so we're going to check the battery level according to the meter in the car. So we'll go have a look at that, eh? Here we go. All right. Believe it or not, that says 12.7. I've also just put a little bit of water in my tanks. That's my water gauge there, so it's blue, so it's got, you know, 20 litres of water in there. So we know that's all right. That's my isolation switch. So we know everything works there. So what we'll do now is we'll hook up the gas and the water to the tank. And we'll run the other systems through and make sure that's running all right. All right, so we'll go open up the kitchen. Go from there, so I'll open her up. Pop open the gas cooker. 2 burner stove, by the way, it's beautiful. Hook up some hoses and we'll make sure everything's working all right here. I'm on my checks. Make sure I got my gas cylinder in here. All right, I'll just nip up my connections, make sure they're all right. It's a full cylinder, I know, because I only got it the other day, so we'll just turn her on. Run the gas to the stove, we'll just make sure the stove's still going. All right, we know we got gas to the stove. Well, we think we do. Let's check to see, make sure the stove still works all right. All right, so we'll just switch her on. Oh, 1 burner. 2 burners, so we've got 2 burners so we can cook. Let's see if we can wash my dishes later. All right, here we go. The pump's noisy. We live in hope. Oh, beautiful. So we know we've got power, we've got solar panels, we know we've got booze and food in the fridge. We can cook, we can clean, we're right to go. All right, I'm looking forward to my big trip out to Big Red Birdsville, the Big Red Bash. All right, guys, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Oh, yeah. Last time you were out there, but what about this time? So what I do, I turn my fridge on, usually just before I'm ready to go. Well, not before I'm ready to go. Oh, you